So hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. So I have been inactive from like 2 to 3 weeks. Here's the reason. So 3 months ago, one of my friend cracked a deal for me. Let's say the person's name was X. So X offered me a deal with 7 montages for what, like 4K. It was my first deal, to be honest. I knew my work's worth, my work's value. So I accepted the deal. So he offered me advance payment or at the end. So I decided कि भाई अगर मैं बंदे का काम किसी रीज़न से कर ना पाया तो उसके पैसे अटक जाएंगे मेरे पे. And just to maintain trust, I asked him to do the payment and everything at the end. So in a whole month he sent me like 3 to 4 videos, 30 minutes each, long clips of absolutely trash frags. ठीक है, CS:GO की clips थी, some Valorant. So at the end of the month, clips were so bad, I adjusted and made 2 montages. I put my heart in those montages, trust me, because it was my first client work. After the month ended, I asked X to pay me because the deal was of a month and he failed to provide me the clips. Nothing bad on my side. I made every montage in like 2 to 3 days. Every time he provided me clips, he said, "Alright, I'll pay you on this date." I agreed, and as a good gesture, I told him that I'll adjust the whole work, but don't delay stuff this time. He said, "Alright, we'll pay you soon." After like what, a whole week, he sent me some free tweeted clips and asked me to make a montage out of it for a female streamer. Let's say her name was Z. Okay, so I made it in no time, then received another 4 to 5 hour long clips, 4 to 5 hour long clips. Nothing to complain about. Like, after all that, I'm an editor, that's my work. So I was working on a project for him and thought he was unable to pay me even the half of the payment. So I asked him about the payment. He said they will do it soon, don't worry. These were the words: "We'll do it soon, don't worry, you should not worry about it, blah blah blah." And that's all I got for making those 3 insane montages. He had what, like 50 subs, and yet I made all of the 3 for him. Now you all will think, why did I even trust him? I trusted him because one of my editor friend introduced me to that guy. So I bailed out and said, "Please give me my payment for the 3 videos," and that would be 1.7k. For what, like 1.5 months I kept on asking him for the payment every single day, literally. Every day I would drop a message on Insta and Discord both. Sometimes he replied, sometimes he said, "We'll do it soon." Now guys, please mark the date. I'm recording this on 23rd August 2021. Still don't have the payment. So the thing is, I literally don't care about the money. So you don't want to pay me, just say it like a man that you won't be able to pay. Shit hurts when people go out and give hopes. So throughout that client work incident, I worked with many of the clients like Jasmine and his manager Pratty, the really good one, Outside Esports, High Five Esports, and many more. Small orgs, but see, the thing is, they are really people with small fan base, and like they're still budding content creators in orgs. They are what they say. If they say that they will pay this much amount of money, they pay it. They don't fail to pay the amount. Whole point of making of this video is to motivate others to speak up. And if any content creator is watching this video, keep in mind this thing, man. Small, big, any content creator, alright? If you make a video yourself, you get appreciated, you get motivation and work even more harder, right? And eventually things go better. Same goes for the editors. We edit something, we get paid, that's our motivation, and we'll do much better next time. If you motivate an editor, help him out through the whole process, he'll do much better. So wrapping up everything, here's a quick trailer of the project on which me and Swifty are working on. Check out Ayushman Sharma on Behance. His links are in description. He makes most of them thumbnails. And yeah, peace.